Good morning, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. It is 4 a.m. today, and I'm gonna take you along for my whole day.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hey guys, it's Lauren. I just woke up again. I'm gonna get ready for my day. Just finished getting dressed. I'm wearing something comfy today. I actually had jeans picked out, but Alexa told me that it's supposed to rain today. And one of my biggest pet peeves working my job as a visiting nurse is when the bottom of my pants get wet and then they're just wet all day long. So instead I changed to some leggings. That way there's not a chance of them getting wet. So I need to make the bed, put on some earrings, rings, and then I'll head downstairs. Okay, so I also have to pick out clothes for my son because I have not put away the laundry yet. He's normally good about getting himself dressed, but he needs to have clothes to do that. Okay. All right, let's see. Don't know what I want to wear for earrings today. So I have my my wave. These are just fake. My engagement ring and wedding bands don't fit me, so I kind of just change it up. I have different fake ones that I wear. I think I'm gonna go with flowers. On a gloomy day, we all need a little bit of pink. So I love these ones off Amazon. Okay, let's get downstairs. So I'm just wearing my Walt Disney World shirt, comfy, and then my pants where they won't get wet. So might be a little hot in this, but at least it rolls up. You can probably hear what my son is watching on TV, but it's super dark in here, so I'm getting all the blinds opened. Not even paying attention. Ah, much better. So I just made another sale on Macari, so I'm gonna weigh the item. Oh, a little bit more than we thought. So I'm trying to sign my son up for summer camp. It says it opens registration on April 3rd. Today's April 3rd. It's not open yet. It's 8:20 in the morning, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but kind of want to get this done so I don't have to worry about it. All right, we're walking to the bus stop. It's raining. It's cold. Huh. It's cold. My schedule right now, I have one patient that's scheduled after this and then another that I have to call. Otherwise, that's it. So I'm waiting to hear from work to let me know who needs to be seen. So it's going to be an interesting day since I don't have a schedule yet. All right, you want to hear how that bus thing just went? So super windy, had my umbrella. We were just talking about broken umbrellas. Right as my son gets on the bus, I go to turn, the wind catches it, turns it inside out, breaks my umbrella. And then as I'm trying to close it so I can cross the street, I got right there. I got pinched, so that hurts. So that was a super fun morning. But I'm on my way to my first patient. And let me put my little disclaimer here. Yes, I'm taking you throughout my nursing day. I am not breaking anything HIPAA. I'm not giving any patient identifiers, not giving anything specific. So just wanted to put that there now. I just finished up with my first patient. I have like 8 minutes left of my half hour that I kind of like plan out. So I'm going to sit in my car. I'm going to get their chart done, put in all the numbers, put everything in. Yeah, because the most you can get done during the day, the better off you are at home. So I'm going to get this done and then I'll head off to my next one. So just left a patient, or actually I'm outside the house, that I was not able to confirm. Look at my hair right now. That I was not able to confirm the appointment. and very lovely when I walked in, but they basically were like, yeah, we don't need you. We don't need a nurse. We don't need VNA, which is fine. So I did a surprise discharge. So those are always fun, but I just called my next one, who is a resumption of care. So that just means that they were on service with us. They were re-hospitalized and now they're back home. So we're resuming their care. So I'm going to head off to her in a little bit. I'm going to work on some of the documentation from this visit. Yeah, rain finally stopped, which is fantastic. That's it. I was eating my popcorners. We're going through snaps. So I had my kettle corn popcorners. I'm trying to eat up some of the stuff that's already in the house. So I have that as a little snack. When I get home, I'll have some lunch. Anyways, all right, talk soon. Okay, I just got home from work. I'm hungry. It's like 1:12 in the afternoon, but I'm still trying to register for summer camp. So I figured I would check the website before I get distracted with making lunch. So it says summer camp dates is 6/24 to 8/9. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, grade 1. So I'm going to register now. This is the actual program registrant, not the parent or guardian registering a child. If the member to register is not listed in the drop down.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts.
Okay, so that week we're gone. So we don't need that week. I need that one. James. Save. So I registered for a week of extended care. Realizing now I'm off that week for surgery. But, oh well, it's already paid. I don't think I can cancel it. All right, finally have time to make lunch. I got a little distracted with the whole park and rec thing because I also realized there's a week at the beginning of summer, like right after school gets out, where there's no park and rec. My lunch. It looks good. It's now 1:56 p.m. So definitely time to eat. I'm gonna sit down, get some work done, watch one of my shows while I chart, and eat my lunch. What are you building?
A jet ski.
Yep, jet ski. It goes with the little lake house we just built, right?
Right.
And then we just started this one. And then we finished this little one. The burger. Come here. Where'd you just get home from?
From daycare.
Daycare.
And but bring me cake and
Hey, Jackson, come here.
go on the camera.
How was your day?
Good,
You had a good day?
good day.
And how about when you got home? What happened when you got home?
That's it.
You had an accident? No, you didn't have an accident at home.
Daycare.
You had an accident at daycare, yes, but did you not listen to Mommy just now?
No.
Really?
But I wanted to be eat.
But I told you no chocolate until after dinner. And did you eat it anyways?
I did do that.
Mm-hmm. So now there's going to be consequences.
When's it? Oh, candy gone?
Mm-hmm. So the kids are disagreeing on dinner. I'm making mac and cheese for them, which we don't get very often anymore. Guys! One wanted white. One wanted orange. Well, I don't know what to tell you right now. So I'm kind of doing in between. They had Annie's on sale. So this is like the spirals with Parmesan. So we'll make it. So I'm making Trader Joe's broccoli and kale slaw. It has sunflower seeds, dried cherries.
Mommy's open.
That's your brother's. Dried blueberries and slivered almonds with a sweet and creamy dressing.
Oh, mine
delicious. We love putting it on tacos. So I think today I'm gonna just make fish sticks in the air fryer and just have them together without the taco wrap. So I can't wait. Kind of feeling tired. I have some work ahead of me, so I'm making my little caffeinated. So that's just tea. This one happens to be green tea with lemon, ginseng. I don't know. You mix it with sugar-free Crystal Light, and then coconut beverage. This one says unsweetened, but I thought I was getting sweetened, and I think it said vanilla, but Trader Joe's hasn't had that one recently. So outside, in here, guys. It makes it a pretty like pink. Here, I'll show you. Pretty like. There we go. Pink, strawberry colored. Kind of like the pink drink at Starbucks. I am not a coffee or tea drinker. This will kind of hide the tea so I can have caffeine.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
behind. Hey, Jackson.
I'll count 1, 2.
Do you like your new wall?
1, 2, Adam. 1, 2. Both of them. 5. Mommy, I want to put this one next to this one.
So we have
Don't
stars, astronauts, rockets, planets. Some of those stars glow. We have the sign. We have the hot air balloons, the car, clouds. We have all of Under the Sea. We have the beach with Mickey and Stitch. And then over here, we have a railroad crossing and the train coming.
Wheel.
Here.
I want the train go right here.
You wanted the train right there?
Yeah.
Well, you put your stars there.
And that.
Yeah, and the hot air
And
balloon.
that.
Yeah.
And those and those and those and those. And those and those.
All right, time to get jammies on.
No!
Yep.
I probably.
And then we'll read a book.
I probably did.
Hmm?
I see a wagon on the phone.
There's a wagon on my phone?
Yeah. But with a big wagon. I don't see it.
I know. The video's on. Say night night. I don't know if you remember how I left my bed this morning with the pillows, but this was not it. So my kitties throughout the day have knocked them all over. I have a headache and I need to take something for it before it gets worse. I just got the little one in bed. James is up watching TV, relaxing a little bit downstairs. I'm gonna get into some comfy clothes, some nice slippers, and then I'll head downstairs to get some work done. You smell like French toast.
I've got it.
Oh wait, you had French toast at school, didn't you?
No, I had pancakes.
Oh, pancakes will smell like the maple syrup.
Wow. I just have the pancakes with syrup.
You're heavy. Say night night.
Water!
I will. Say night night. I'll get your water. So I just got James to bed. Hopefully he falls asleep quickly. I'm now gonna finally put away some laundry that's been clean. I can't even tell you how long. So I'm gonna get that at least sorted, put on hangers, and then I can always put it in the closets a little bit later. Something I did earlier when I was upstairs is I actually took some like during photos. I was in the same sports bra and the same brand of workout shorts that I took my starting photos in, and I put them side by side, and it's such a difference. I couldn't imagine. Like I was really surprised when I put them side by side. So that was really cool to see. I did post them to my YouTube and to Instagram, and I do have people reaching out who want to get better and get healthy and are looking for help. So that's exactly what I was trying to do. I want to help encourage people and support people and let them know that they're not alone and that I can help in any way. So yeah, that was really cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It was a busy day, but it was definitely productive. I got a lot of things done that I was hoping to. I finally feel like my house is a little bit more in order. Some laundry's folded. Looking forward to having some days off after my workday tomorrow, but I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna head upstairs, get ready for bed, do my skincare routine, and call it a night. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to join the family, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.